Sabi ni Rian, PJ, you're really a gentleman. How do you find naman Rian?
Rian is one of the easiest I've worked with ever. Wala kang marinig na complain, wala. She's a trooper. Sobrang bait sa set. Walang pakialam sa cut-off. Kaya masarap kasi we were all just having fun and just being open and just really enjoying, you know, the vibe of the set. Masarap matrabaho si Rian kasi alam mo, you're on the same page, you know, you want to give it your best. Di ba?
Yay!
What do you talk about most of the time? What did you talk
Ako
about?
naman.
Are there things that you share in common, like
Food, working out.
Love life.
Laughing. You answered.
Anything under the sun.
Yeah.
We had so much time to talk. We shot 10 days, so yeah.
For some reason, we just easily became open with each other, and I think that also helped us on screen.
Yes.
After working together for the first time, mauulit pa ba sa tingin nyo? In another
Of course,
project?
sana, yeah, di ba?
Yes, I'm gonna produce the next one, and I'm gonna make sure. Yeah, I hope so. I hope so talaga.